Hey guys, how's it going? Oh my gosh, don't you love things like today? Days like today. We are so excited after months and months of working hard. I tell you what, the team at A Maker Studio loves you guys because they have put together the most amazing, look at this, maker box. Now, we talk about we're going into the holiday season. And I will tell you, one of the things that overwhelms me the most is the fact that what am I going to get for everybody? What am I going to get this person? What am I going to get this person? And what am I going to get them that they love it? That they're like, what is this? I'm just going to tell you, your holiday shopping has gotten that much easier. This holiday maker box is the bomb. And I'm going to walk you through. I want you to see, look, it's so pretty. To begin with, it's just so pretty. I want to walk you through and I want to show you what's in it. If you talk about a deal with all the projects, one of the things that I know y'all are like me, you don't like having a project, you get it off Pinterest, you find it and you're like, now I've got to go find everything. And by the time you're finished, you've spent $125 on a bunch of stuff and you can't do a project that it's going to be from start to finish. So I've solved your problems. This is the most amazing maker box ever. Now, I have bad news. You want to hear the bad news first? We only have so many of these. This is the truth. It's not like we're going to be able to introduce them again and be able to add more things to it. When these are gone, they're gone. So I need you, I don't want you to be thinking, oh, I'll get one the middle or the end of November. It won't happen. These will more than likely sell out in October. I'm just going to tell you. So today they're being launched for the first time and we're so excited. I don't know. We may sell out of them the first week because they truly are a deal. But I want to show you the projects that are in it. It's truly magnificent. All right. So I want to give a personal shout out to Mary Margaret at A Maker Studio. A lot of you, when you pop on here, you know who I'm talking about. She is amazing, and she has worked so diligently on this maker box. So I want to go through here with you. I'm going to show you some of the ingredients. I mean, when I talk about a treasure trove, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look. It's full. When I tell you it's full, it's full. Guys, come on. Really and truly, look at this. Where are you going to get something like this with this much information, with this much crafting ability? It's nuts. So really and truly, here's the deal. This is what I would do. I would get one for yourself. And think about the people. Once you get it, what's gonna happen? Here's my fear. You're gonna order it for yourself and then you're gonna go, oh, I had no idea there was this much stuff in it. I'm gonna order this for Carol. I'm gonna get it from Barbara. I'm gonna get it for Denise because that way my shopping's over and it's a bargain. It's like, and they'll be all gone. So I want you to look through it. You can go to amakerstudio.com. You can see what's in it. But you know, as always, when we do our maker boxes, what do? We try to make it easier for you and we put recipe cards in them with all of the step outs on the back of the cards. But these, I want to be able to show you individually and pull them out. Oh my God, there's several. I was going to say there's one and then I was like, no, there's two and then there's three. So hold on, I've got to show you this. Y'all are just going to die. You're going to die. It's so fun. Okay. So one of the first projects, are you ready for this? Look at this. Oh my gosh, like, is this the cutest? Look at these little guys. So we have included in this maker box, y'all just gotta hold on because there's just too much stuff in here. Look at this little guy. He is a fantastic silicone mold. Have you ever worked with silicone molds before? They're fantastic, but you can use him for a lot of different things. This one, we've got it in this kit. We've included your frame. We've included the mold. We've got the resin. We've got the gold paint. We've got all the stuff in here. We've got gilding. You're going to be able to gild that. When I talk about tons of projects, guys, this is what's in here. But here's what's great about these silicone molds. Those of you that you love making soaps, you can use the silicone mold and you can make these little nutcrackers. You can even get sugar cookie ingredients. Now, that's not included in the maker box, but you can use the same mold that you want to be able to use for this, and you can create sugar cookies. They're so easy and they pop out. Do not bake them in the silicone molds, but you can use this mold of the nutcracker to be able to make them. So these silicone molds are absolutely fabulous. But this is the project that we have for you. All of the stuff needed to make this project are included in this kit. Okay, like enough, but like, is that the cutest? Okay, and here's the other deal. Those of you that are watching, I love giving away things. So if you share this video and you tag some friends that you know they love crafting too, I'm gonna give away one of these maker boxes. I'm in so much trouble. I think sharing is caring. And if we're gonna make this exciting and be able to share this information with everybody, and it's like, oh my God, you gotta see this. Carol, you gotta see this. So just share the video. Your name is gonna go in for a drawing. And in 3 days, we're gonna let it run for 3 days. In 3 days, we're gonna be, we better do this. Today's Thursday. We'll announce the winner on Monday. So that way, don't be calling the office and calling Mary Margaret and going, hey, did I win that maker box? So share this video, tag some friends. Your name will go in for that drawing and we'll make the announcement on Monday. So, all right, so I'm gonna set this aside. This is the first project that with a silicone mold that I love, love, love. And with that particular project, you're going to get the gold leaf. You're going to get the picture frame that goes with it, because these little guys go on the picture frame. You're going to get the resin. Good grief. You're going to get the resin kit to be able to make your soldiers, your little nutcrackers to go on the frame. Now, are you ready for the next project? So look at this. Are you ready? Look at this. This is the cutest Venetian plaster angel. We are going to be we include the Venetian plaster. We have included the canvas. Look at this. We've included the canvas. We've included the paint. We've included the brushes. Everything to create this adorable Venetian plaster angel. Do you not love it? And on the recipe card, we have step-by-step on how to be able to create it. So I'm so excited. I think that's fab. So look at this. Project 1, you're going to be able to make the nutcracker frame. Then you're going to be able to make a canvas piece, an angel, to be able to put in your kitchen, be able to have a little setup in there. Look at there's so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. I want to make sure that I'm not missing, because I want to show you the 2 of these. Are you ready for this? Look at this. A decoupage resin ornament that you can actually do it, and you can have pictures of your children, your grandchildren, your grand dogs, your puppy dogs, and you can make them into ornaments and put them on your tree. I mean, oh my gosh. Or, I love using ornaments as wrapping them on my gifts. So how cute would this be? You can get a picture, you can pull it off of social media of somebody's puppy dog or their grandchild, or maybe their their fabulous trip that they took this year. And you can create it and put it in this ornament. So we've included the ornament mold for the resin, and we've included the resin kit for you as well. And that way you'll be able to we have step-by-step on how to create this gorgeous decoupage ornament. So that is the 3rd project. There are 7 projects in this maker box. Can y'all believe that? All right, so this is your 3rd project. Are you ready? This is the mold that we are gonna be making the ornaments out of. They're so easy. I'm gonna be doing a ton of Facebook Lives, walking you through how to be able to do these projects. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Now look at this. Terry, you betcha you need this kit. Do this, share this video, tag some friends That way your name will go in for a drawing. Y'all, as you pop on here, say hey, tell me where you're tuning in from. My name is Amy Howard, and I am the mother maker at a maker studio. I'm a crafter. I love, my tagline is crafting a beautiful life. And so when I like making things, I like the fact that it has a purpose. I like that there's going to be a person that I'm going to give it to, or there's a function. I can't imagine having a better function, getting together and saying, hey, let's all order this kit and let's all get together and let's make one of these projects and say, okay, I love this project. What a great thing to be able to get together. Now look at this. Remember the one I showed you a while ago, as far as these are just the recipe cards that come in the kit that you will have. You don't have to print these off. These come in your kit. But look at this. These are the two ornaments that are made with this mold. Now, this is, look, the other one we did the decoupage on, but how fun is this? So in this kit, it actually comes with a stencil that you're going to be able to just come in. Let me pull this thing out like this. You'll be able to come in and use the stencil, and very easily with the inks and things, we give all of that to you. When I talk about a treasure trove, look at this. All of these inks that you're going to be able to create your own ornaments, your own stationery. It's all included. You do not have to be like you're going to Michael's or Hobby Lobby and all those fabulous places, but you go in and you're spending a fortune and then you don't have everything you need. We've included everything you need to be able to do these projects. All right, so this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you ready? It keeps going. All right, so look at this. I love these stationaries. We have included, you know, if you're going to send somebody a gift, you can make them something, and then you're going to be able to make them a customized card. So we've included the cards and the stationery, and they're beautiful. The quality is just absolutely fabulous with our cards. We've included the stencil that you need to be able to create the cards with. We've created we've put the inks in here along with your spreader to be able to create your own custom stationery. So, oh, you know what? You're right. Hold on. As far as flipping the camera around, I have to go through a process, and I think they make me do that in the very beginning, Melanie. I am so sorry. All right, so I'm going to be doing tons of lives on these, so you'll be able to see them. All right, so last but definitely not least, because we have 2 more projects I want to be able to show you. This is one of my favorites. Now, if you haven't made these, look, can you tell? Look, they are metallic. They are metallic candles. In this particular kit, we have included the mold. I want to take this out and show you, because I was at a shop in Alice Beach, which I love. It's one of my favorite shops. I'm not going to say the name because I'm going to tell you this. Hey, Debbie. And this is your mold to be able to make this candle. We've included in this, we've included all your beeswax, and we are including your gold metallic to be able to make gold metallic candles. Now, I'm just going to tell you, these are fantastic. Can you see by the picture? These are fantastic, especially at your table that you're going to be entertaining at. They will stand on their own. They're large enough. I just pop them on my table. You don't have to put them in anything. We've included the wick, the metallic. You're going to be able to make these gorgeous gold beeswax candles to be able to put on your holiday table. You can line them up on your mantle. They'll look fantastic. So this is project number 6. Yikes. Okay. And last but definitely not least, we have these, look at this, the ornaments that you'll be able to make your own textured, gorgeous ornaments to be able to have on your monochromatic tree. Those of you that don't know, the whole theme now, as far as being doing your Christmas trees and your holiday decorations, are kind of more of a monochromatic. And being able to have this plaster, we've included Venetian plaster in your kit, all of your paint brushes, everything, and your gold leaf to be able to create all these gorgeous looks. So look how long it's taken me just to kind of go through and be able to show you all of the projects, all of the molds, the canvas, the resin, the frames, everything. It's amazing. It's amazing. So I can't imagine a better gift to give yourself to get ready for the holidays and craft a beautiful life and be thinking, whether it's your sister, whether it's your mother, maybe it's your good friend that you know she loves crafting as much as you do. She's gonna absolutely love this maker box. And I hate being the bearer of bad news, but we only made a certain amount and we will not be able to resupply them in any way. So when these are sold out, they're sold out. We've kind of guesstimated on how many sold last year, and we're thinking that it will probably last us 2 or 3 weeks in October. So don't delay. I'm so excited. Today's the first day in launching this gorgeous maker box. We're very proud of them. A shout out to the team in Memphis. They have done a fantastic job. Brooke, Mary Kate, Mary Margaret, all of the gals in the back, Birdie and Destiny and Casey and all of them. They have done a fantastic job. Kudos. It's beautiful. I am so excited, and you're going to be excited too. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Mwah. Love you guys. Share this video. Tag some friends. And your name will go in for a drawing. On Monday, we'll be giving away a free maker box to the winner, only because you were willing to share this video. Sharing is caring, and tag some good friends. It's going to be a fantastic holiday season. I can't wait. I love you guys. Mwah.